We live in an age of convenience, and Taste's mission is to make it as easy as possible for users in the kitchen and to take the stress out of cooking. We all do it. We look at the recipe on our phone and we're cooking, and I get pasta sauce all over the front of my mobile screen. So what Alexa enabled us to do was actually disconnect that, and it allows you to be present while you're cooking. The taste.com.au skill is a recipe skill with over 50,000 tried and tested taste.com.au recipes. You can search for recipes and cook them along hands-free in the kitchen. Alexa, open Taste.
Welcome to Taste. We have some delicious dinner recipes for you to try.
The thing that really excites me about Alexa and the future of voice is that it can transform the whole customer journey, from planning your recipes for dinner to cooking in the kitchen and even potentially purchasing. So voice is a great content amplification channel that we have in our portfolio, and it's really useful to extend that out to clients in briefings. And it's really something that clients are interested in because it's such an innovative space, and it really taps into the moments that matter in the kitchen.